ready to unlock every out-of-market NFL game this season and transform your Sunday football experience. In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to get NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV and start streaming all the action. First things first, make sure you have an active YouTube TV subscription. If you don't, you'll need to sign up for one before proceeding. Open the YouTube TV app or go to YouTube in your web browser now. Click on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Membership tab. Here, you'll find options for your YouTube TV base plan and any add-ons. Scroll down until you see NFL Sunday Ticket. You should see the price and details of the package. Click on the Get Now or similar button next to NFL Sunday Ticket to begin the Signup process. You'll be prompted to review the terms and conditions and confirm your purchase. Make sure to read through everything carefully. Once you're ready, click Confirm Purchase or the equivalent button. And that's it. Once subscribed, you'll find NFL Sunday Ticket games listed in your YouTube TV guide. Usually in a dedicated section. You can also search for specific teams or games using the search bar. Now you can kick back, relax, and enjoy every out-of-market NFL game all season long. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.